In relief to farmers, the government on Wednesday gave its approval to the new procurement policy for crops, and the decision was taken in the cabinet meeting headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The cabinet also approved the proposal to electrify last leg of more than 13,000 route kilometers of railway tracks. The process that is likely to be completed by 2021-22 is expected to save fuel bill to the carrier of over 13,500 crore rupees per annum.
The centre on Wednesday announced a new scheme to ensure that farmers growing pulses and oilseeds benefit from higher minimum support prices announced by the government recently. Named Pradhan Mantri Annadata Aay Sanrakshan Abhiyan, the new scheme will be a mix of sub-schemes that will involve direct procurement from farmers under Price Support Scheme or PSS, paying them for losses incurred when wholesale market prices are lower than announced MSPs under Price Deficiency Payment Scheme or PDPS, and procurement by private traders at MSP. The centre has provided 16,550 crore rupees as bank guarantee for its agencies to directly procure from farmers under PSS.
वास्तव में किसानों की आय की संरक्षा में भारत सरकार द्वारा ये ऐतिहासिक कदम उठाया गया है तथा आशा की जाती है कि इस कदम से लंबे समय तक किसानों का कल्याण होता रहेगा। इस स्कीम में किसानों के लिए लाभकारी मूल्य सुनिश्चित करने तथा तंत्र विकसित सहित मूल्य समर्थन योजना, भावांतर योजना और पायलट निजी खरीद एवं स्टॉकिस्ट योजना शामिल है।
The cabinet also approved raising prices at which oil marketing companies will buy ethanol from sugar mills at 59.13 rupees per litre, up from 47.13 rupees per litre. It also approved an over 25% hike in the price of ethanol produced directly from sugarcane for blending in petrol.
गन्ना किसानों को राहत मिले, इसीलिए शुगर इंडस्ट्री स्टेबलाइज हो। सिर्फ शुगर नहीं, देश की इंपोर्ट डिपेंडेंसी भी घटे, एथेनॉल प्रोडक्शन बढ़े। इसके कारण हमारी देश की शुगर केन इंडस्ट्री में एक नई उछाल आएगी। देश की ट्रांसपोर्ट इंडस्ट्री में किसानों की उपज लिंक होगा।
The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approved electrification of remaining unelectrified broad gauge routes of Indian Railways. Under this, 13,000 km of unelectrified routes will be electrified at a cost of 12,000 crore rupees. Panchanan Mishra's report for Rajya Sabha TV.